Good morning, sir. My name is Officer Brown. I need to ask you some questions. Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay.
Thank you. First, can you tell me your full name?
My name is John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Can you tell me your address
I live at 123 Maple Street.
and your phone number?
It's 555-1234-567.
Great. Now, Mr. Smith, where were you last night at 8 p.m.?
I was at the park.
At the park. Did you see anything unusual?
Yes, I saw a man running. He looked scared.
A man running? Can you describe him?
He was tall, maybe 6 feet. He had short black hair.
What was he wearing?
He was wearing a red jacket and jeans.
Did you see where he went?
Yes, he ran toward the street. I think he went to the bus stop.
Did you see his face?
No, it was dark.
Did you notice anything else about the man?
I think he was carrying something.
Carrying something? What was it?
It looked like a bag. A black bag.
A black bag. Was it small or big?
It was medium-sized, I think.
Okay, did you hear anything? Any sounds or noises?
Yes, I heard shouting.
Shouting? Where did it come from?
It came from the park, near the benches.
Were there other people at the park?
Yes, there were a few people.
Did anyone else see the man?
I don't know, but there was a woman walking her dog.
A woman with a dog? Did you speak to her?
No, I didn't.
Mr. Smith, did you see anything else unusual?
Yes, after the man ran, I saw a car.
A car? What kind of car?
It was a black car.
Did you see the license plate?
No, it was too far.
What time did you leave the park?
Around 8:30 p.m.
Did you notice anyone following you?
No, I didn't.
So to review, you saw a man running. He was tall with short black hair, wearing a red jacket and jeans. He was carrying a black bag.
Yes, that's right.
And after that, you saw a black car near the park.
Yes.
Mr. Smith, thank you for your help so far. We found something at the park.
Oh, what did you find?
A wallet. It was near the benches.
A wallet. Was it the man's?
We are not sure yet. Did you see him drop anything?
No, I didn't.
About the black car you mentioned, did it park or drive away?
It was parked for a while, then it drove away quickly.
Quickly? How long was it parked?
Maybe 5 or 10 minutes.
Did you see the driver?
No, I couldn't see the driver.
Let's go back to the shouting you heard. Was it a man or a woman?
It was a man. He sounded angry.
Angry? Could you hear any words?
I think he said, "Stop," or something like that.
Did you walk around the park after you saw the man?
Yes, I walked near the playground.
Did you see anything unusual there?
No, it was quiet.
We have other witnesses who mentioned a red jacket. Did you see anyone else wearing red?
No, just the man running.
What do you think was in the black bag?
I don't know. It looked heavy, though.
Heavy? Did he carry it with both hands?
Yes, he did.
Thank you for all your help, Mr. Smith. One last question. Will you be available if we need more information?
Yes, of course.
Mr. Smith, I have one more question. There's a security camera near the park entrance.
Oh, really?
Yes, we are checking the footage now. Do you remember if the man passed by the entrance?
Yes, he did. He ran out through the main gate.
We just reviewed the footage. The man with the red jacket was caught on camera.
Did it show his face?
No, unfortunately, his face wasn't clear, but we saw the black bag.
That's good. Did it show where he went?
Yes, he ran toward the street behind the park. We believe the black bag is important. Did you see if he opened it?
No, I didn't.
Did it look like a backpack or a briefcase?
More like a duffel bag.
We spoke to another witness. She also mentioned the black car.
Oh? What did she say?
She saw it parked near the playground earlier in the evening. We found something inside the wallet at the park,
What was it?
an ID card. The name doesn't match the man you described.
Could it belong to someone else?
It's possible. We're looking into it. Mr. Smith, do you think the man was trying to steal something?
I'm not sure, but he was in a hurry. Maybe he was running away.
Running away from what?
Maybe from another person or from the police.
Let's go over the timeline again. You arrived at the park around 8 p.m., correct?
Yes, that's right.
And you saw the man running at 8:15?
Yes.
We just received a report. The black car was found abandoned,
Really? Where?
about 2 streets away from the park. Thank you for your patience, Mr. Smith. You've been very helpful.
I hope you find the man.
We'll do our best. If we need anything else, we'll contact you.